Here's how to put text behind a person in CapCut. On your smartphone, open the CapCut app and let's create a new video project. And I'm selecting this video, for example, and let's import the video in CapCut. Now we need to add a text. So tap on text, add text, and now right here the text that you want to add behind your person. Just typing here hello, for example, and now you can go to fonts. You can choose a font from here. You can go to style and you can resize your text from here. You can change your text color as well. Once you're happy with your text, just tap on this tick icon. Now we have to increase our text clip length. So just go ahead and make your text equal with your video. Now we need to duplicate our main video clip. So select the video clip. In this menu, you have to select duplicate. Once duplicated, select the duplicated clip, then click on overlay. And now you have to drag and drop this overlay video just like this. Now select the overlay clip. In here, slide and tap on layer. In here, you have to put this overlay to the start point and then just tap on done. Now select the overlay video clip, and here you have to find out the background remover. So tap on remove BG, auto removal, then tap on done, and here we can see the text has been successfully added behind person. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.